Hello kids, in this video we learn about some shapes and know about the color name. These are our colors. This is pink color. This is sky blue color. Black color. It is brown color. Green color. This is violet color, fluorescent yellow, blue color, purple color, orange color, red color, yellow color, Let us draw these shapes. It is blue color. It is smiley emoji. It is cube. It is a 3D shape. It is equilateral triangle. Its all sides are equal and it has 3 sides. It is rhombus or diamond. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. It is rounded corner rectangle or rounded rectangle. It is cross. It looks like addition symbol. Let us color all these shapes. Pink color. It is smiley emoji. It is blue color. This shape is cube. It is a 3D shape. It is brown color. This shape is equilateral triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And all sides are equal. It is green color. This shape is rhombus or diamond. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. It is yellow color. This shape is rounded rectangle or rounded corner rectangle. It is red color. This shape is cross or it looks like addition symbol. Let us recall shapes, name and color name once again. It is smiley emoji, pink color. It is cube, blue color. It is equilateral triangle, brown color. It is rhombus or diamond, green color. Rounded rectangle, yellow color. Cross, red color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.